Hi, it's Vias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, check natin. Okay. Emotion ni person mo. Ngayong week. Okay, ngayong week. Pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, yeah. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. And yeah, hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, if you're interested pagdating sa ating private reading, personal reading, okay, message lang po kayo sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer kay Kuya Dingsi naman po. Okay? So, yeah. So, kung may mga tanong pa pagdating sa ating mga evil eye items, so, message na lang. Evil eye items, sa ating love bracelet, sa ating granter necklace. Okay? Message na lang po. Okay? Okay, so let's start. You can check your other placements, okay? Your Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus North Node, kung alam nyo, okay? So, let's see. Aries, anong emosyon ni person mo? Excuse me. Their feelings this week. Pagdating sa'yo, Aries. Okay, the Star in reversed. Why? Why the Star in reversed? The Fool. Kung itong taong to specific, no, kung meron itong dapat gawin pagdating sa connection ninyo, natatakot siya. Like parang feeling hopeless. Okay, kung meron ditong disconnect, separation na nangyari, they are afraid to take the risk or to take action. Okay? Yeah, the Eight of Swords, parang marami siyang tanong, marami siyang takot. Okay? Pwedeng, I don't know, some of you, ikaw yung umalis sa kanya, ikaw yung lumayo. So, binigyan mo ng takot itong taong to. They're afraid. Yeah, they're not doing anything. If you're expecting something na may gawin itong taong to this week, pagdating sa sitwasyon ninyo, okay, wala akong nakakuha. Yes. Yeah. The Ace of Wands in reversed. Delays. Okay? So, may chance na hahayaan lang muna niya to. Parang ganyan. Yeah. See, the Empress in reversed. Kasi feeling niya parang hindi niya kaya. Walang pag-asa to. Parang ganon. Some of you, kung kakonect mo naman to sa ngayon, may chance na sabihin natin parang hindi sa'yo mapupunta ang atensyon. Nandito yung pananawa, ha? I'm so sorry. Okay? Wanting to take, sabihin natin, wanting to do new things, new stuff outside the connection. Okay? Wala yung focus. Yeah. Yung iba naman, ang nakukuha ko rito is pwedeng pupunta sila sa mga lugar na napupuntahan nyo before. Yeah. Nagbabaka sakali or magbabaka sakali na makita ka. Mga ganun. Okay? Pero hindi nila alam kung anong mangyayari or kung anong sasabihin nila kung magkita man kayo. Parang ganun. Ang daming takot nitong taong to pagdating sa inyong dalawa. Pagdating sa sitwasyon ninyo. Okay, we have here Aqua, Aries, okay, and fire sign. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sag. Next, Taurus. Okay. So, Taurus. Let's see. Okay, Taurus. Taurus placements. Yes. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Tingnan natin. Ano bang emosyon niya? Feelings this week pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Their feelings, emotions this week pagdating sa'yo, Taurus. The Nine of Wands. Some of them, pwedeng tinataguan ka or ina-avoid ka. Or avoid, tataguan ka, avoid ka. Iiwasan, no? Bakit? They're guarded, oh. They're guarded. The Six of Pentacles in reversed. Andito yung parang yung salita na ayoko, parang ganun. Ayoko, parang ganyan. Ayoko muna, parang ganun. Okay? You have, I don't know if you are the one who has this trust issue. Okay? We have here the Ace of Cups though. Itong taong to, kung gusto niya na makipag-ayos, kasi meron. Ang nakuha ko lang is parang hindi sila ganon ka-hopeful, no? Hindi sila ganon like sabihin nating walang lakas ng loob to do it kung makikipag-ayos. Pero they want that. They want na magkaroon ng pagkakaayos dito. Some of them pinagdadamot nito okay? Kung ikaw yung nakagawa ng something na mali sa kanya, sila yung nagdadamot ng forgiveness or hindi nila ibinibigay. Maybe some of them, they're hiding their true emotions. Some of you, if this is a new person, they are hiding their true emotions. Okay? So, kung new person, meron tong emotion, there's something. Yeah, there's something. Like, kung nakikita mo tong new person, para siyang mapapansin mo, tingin lang ng tingin. Parang ganan. Okay? Hindi sila full, na parang open for you. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, meron dito nagtatago ng totoong emosyon. I think this is someone new. Yeah, someone new. I don't know, parang feeling awkward. Okay? Taurus, mayroong bagong nagkakagusto sa'yo. Yun na lang. Okay, may bagong nagkakagusto sa'yo. Yun ang pinakamalakas na energy. I don't know kung sa tingin mo nagkaka-connect na kayo nito, pero hindi sila nagiging open. They're hiding their true feelings, emotions pagdating sa'yo. Okay, so pwedeng Pisces, Earth, and Fire. Next, Gemini. Okay, Gemini placements. Okay, please do like, share, and subscribe. Gemini. Okay, so what is their true feelings this week pagdating sa'yo, Gemini? Their true emotions, feelings this week pagdating sa'yo. The Five of Cups in reverse. Some of them, they're moving on. Pwedeng water sign, they're moving on. Okay? Yeah, Death. Okay, they're moving on. This is a big energy ng moving on. Facing new energies, new challenges maybe. They're healing. Okay, Gemini, they're healing. Yeah. Pero, andun pa rin, namimiss ka pa rin ito, paminsan-minsan. Pero yes, they're trying to move on from you. Water sign, Scorpio. Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The Queen of Wands in reversed. Some of you, there's another person involved here. Maybe you have another person involved. Okay, hindi yun para sa lahat, pero yeah, this person miss you. Okay? Kung matagal na to, mga Gemini, kung matagal na yung nangyaring separation, yes, you have the separation card, the death endings. May chance na itong taong ito, no choice, kundi mag-heal. Pwede kasing nakikita niya, meron siyang alam sa'yo. Some of them, they're stalking. Okay? So, pwedeng meron siyang idea na pwedeng meron ka ng iba or hindi ka na nakafocus sa kanya, may ganun. Okay, pwedeng yun ang point of view, like sabihin natin, yun ang iniisip niya towards you. Pero yeah, they miss you. Okay, they're stalking while healing. Yes. Ganun naman. So, yeah, yun ang akin nakuha for you. Next, Cancer. Okay. So, Cancer placements. Please do hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Okay. So, Cancer placements. What is their true feelings, emotions this week pagdating sa'yo, Cancer? Okay. Okay. Oh. 3 of Swords. Why? They're hurting. They're in pain. Why? Some of you have you have this separation. Okay? You're in a breakup. Why the 3 of Swords? Ooh, this person is always thinking of you. They're stuck. Okay? They're stuck. Sobrang gulo ng utak nito. Lagi kang iniisip. Okay? This is, the 5 of Swords. 3 and 5, this is 8 of Swords. 8 of Swords is being stuck. Okay? Yeah, merong separation dito. Hindi pa siya nakaka-move on, actually. Okay? This person wants to reconnect. They want to reconnect with you. They want to talk. Gusto nila makipag-ayos. Okay? Ayaw na nila ng drama. Gusto nila makipag-ayos. Yeah. If you are in a third-party connection, okay, some of them, they're, confused. Why? Why are they confused? What's with this 5 of Swords? The World in reversed. The King of Cups. Yeah, this person loves you. Okay? Some of you, meron ditong naghihintay ng may ma-fix. Kasi meron ditong unfinished business talaga. Pwedeng sa side niya, sa part niya. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reversed. If there's separation, feeling ng taong to is napakalaking kawalan, napakalaking panghihinayang rin ang nakukuha ko sa kanya. Okay? Some of them, they're just waiting for something na may mag-end sa part niya. Okay? Hindi lang talaga ito maging straightforward or maybe makagawa ng action or decision pagdating sa connection nyo. Lalo na kung may third party involvement sa inyo. Okay? Hindi siya makagawa pa. Conflicted. Okay? Pero lagi kang iniisip, this person loves you. See? But yeah, meron ditong involved. Okay? Kung ano man ang gender. Narinig ko yung song na Lost Without You. I don't know kung sino yung kumanta nun. Ang dami namang they're in pain. Feeling lost. Okay? Anyway. Okay, so yeah. Big air sign placements. Fixed sign, Leo, Taurus, Aqua, and Aquarius, and ano pa ba to? Scorpio, I guess, or Sag. Anyway, okay. So next, Leo. Okay, so Leo placements. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe. So Leo, what is their feelings, emotions this week pagdating sa'yo, Leo. Let's see. The Queen of Wands in reversed. Some of you nawala na yung attraction. Okay, pwedeng ikaw nawala na yung attraction mo dito. What's with this Queen of Wands in reversed? The Five of Swords in reversed. The Sun in reversed. The World though in reversed. Okay. Emotion. Tinatry nitong i-fix yung sarili niya. Okay, focusing pagdating sa sarili niya, Leo. Okay? Inaalis niya yung sarili niya sa mga sitwasyong maraming drama, maraming issue. Okay? Kung alam mo sa sarili mo na ikaw yung dapat asikasuhin ng taong to, hindi sila ganun ka-confident enough para gawin yun. Okay? Feeling intimidated. Okay? What's this? Queen of Wands. Is this new or past? Let's see. What's with this Queen of Wands in reverse? New or past? Okay, the Six of Wands. I think this person has a lot of, sabihin nating, parang hindi ko masabi, like, andun lahat yung attention niya sa'yo, pero they feel intimidated, like, nahihiya sila, I don't know, overwhelmed, like, yeah. Lagi kang pinapanood ng taong to, sa totoo lang. Lagi kanyang pinapanood. Yung iba sa kanila ang nakukuha ko, feeling nila hindi mo sila gusto. Okay? I don't know if this is a past person or new. Hindi sinasabi kung ano. Okay? Pero ang sinasabi dito is talagang gusto ka ng taong to. Gusto ka. Yeah, they're open. Judgment being here. May chance na pwedeng nakakuha ka ng maraming attention from other people, past man, new man. Yeah, the Page of Wands in reverse. Yeah, may new, merong past. Okay? Maraming gustong connect sa'yo, maraming gustong makipag-usap actually. You're getting a lot of attention. Maybe next week. Okay? But yeah, hindi nila sinasabi. Or, I don't know, bakit? Some of you, parang tong mga to, mas ginugusto nilang hindi na lang mag-reach out or hindi na lang makipag-usap dahil sabihin natin mas okay yon para sa kanila. Okay? Yeah. Pwedeng tingin rin nila sa iyo, you're not interested. Yun ang tingin nila. Okay? So, yeah. Nakakuha ka ng maraming attention. So, people is giving you a lot of attention by next week, Leo. Okay? This person, kung sino man yung naisip mo, they like you. They like you. Okay? Pero hindi sila nagre-reach out. Mas minamabuti nila yun. Giving you boundaries maybe, or maybe you're the one giving them boundaries. Okay, next. Virgo. Okay, Virgo, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, Virgo. Virgo placements. What is their emotions? Feelings towards you by next week. Virgo. Virgo. The Six of Pentacles. They want to have a new beginning, or maybe a second chance, third, fourth, fifth chance with you. They want to have another chance. They want forgiveness. Okay. What's with the Six of Pentacles? Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. They're stalking you. They want to talk. This person wants to talk with you, to you. Or, yeah, they're stalking. Okay? Heavy energy ng stalker. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Feeling nito, kung hindi man kayo nagkakaayos, Virgo, this is like a missed opportunity. Okay? Feeling a missed opportunity. Kasi hindi nagkaroon ng leveling up maybe. What's with the Wheel of Fortune in reverse? This is a past person's energy. Okay, this is a past person's energy. Wheel of Fortune please in reverse. Why? This is, sabihin nating energy ng unfinished business. May mga ganun. Okay? Yeah, see? The Three of Swords, the Ten of Swords. Why? Grabe. Some of you, Virgo, alam ng taong to na parang willing ka, no, na makipag-ayos. Okay? Alam ng taong to, or maybe ramdam niya na willing ka makipag-ayos sa kanya. Pero they're not doing it. They're giving you pain. Giving you stress. I don't know why. Yeah, see the the Fool. Maybe they're the one who is afraid. Okay? Na mag-reach out. Ang iniisip ng taong to kaya hindi siya nagre-reach out, it's because of the sabihin nating situation na meron kayo. Some of you, the separation or yeah, the breakup. They are afraid. Okay? Gusto nito makipag-ayos. Sa totoo lang. Takot lang sila. Kung hindi man ito nagsasabi na gusto lang makipag-ayos, andun lahat andun yung takot, andun yung mga isipin ng taong to. Kapag ba nakipag-ayos ako, magiging okay na ba ulit kami? Mga ganun. Okay, see, nagiging burden na to pagdating sa kanya. This person is hindi pa rin nakaka-move on. Okay, hindi pa rin siya nakaka-move on from you. Yeah. Anyway, some of you, ikaw itong hindi rin nagbibigay ng action towards this person na iniisip mo. Okay, so next, Libra. How are you, Libra? Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, Libra. Let me shuffle. Okay. Some of you, you're dealing with nating online connection. May nakuha ang online connection or bago pa lang. Anyway, let's see. Okay, Libra placements. What is their true emotion, feelings towards you this week? The Magician in reverse. Pwedeng Virgo. Okay. The Page of Wands. This person wants your attention. They want to get your attention. Some of you, they will give you hints. Yeah. They will give you hints. Okay? Na parang sila ay nandyan lang sa energy mo. Someone younger. Okay? Some of them, they're stalking you. Okay? Yeah, the Moon. Hindi nito ipapaalam na parang clear kung ano man yung gusto niya. Okay? So, andyan yung mixed signals. This person likes you. Okay? They like you. The Page of Wands. Some of them, they want to flirt. Yeah, they want to flirt with you. Why the Magician in reversed? Why? Pwedeng hindi nila maipakita yung totoong intention. Nakatago. Okay? So, ang kalalabasan is pwedeng confusion. Okay? Yeah, the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Hindi nila hindi nila totally papakita, hindi nila gagawin ito ng action talaga. Okay, pero they will give you hints. Hints, signs that they like you. Yeah. See, the Empress. Some of you meron kayong age gap. Okay? Big age gap. Maybe. Yeah. Okay? So, pwedeng na-intimidate kaya hindi niya ginagawa yung kung ano man yung intention niya, hindi niya magawang clear yung sarili niya pagdating sa emosyon, intention, okay? I think this is someone new. Newish. Newish. Okay? Feeling shy. Pero, they want to flirt. Pero hindi nila magawa. Hindi nila magawa. Yeah, see, they have a crush. Sa'yo. Okay? May crush tong taong to sa'yo. Don't know. This person has feelings. They have feelings for you. Okay? Umaasa to na may mangyayaring maganda sa inyo. Pero paano, no? Pero paano? Hindi naman niya pinapakita yung totoong feelings, emotion, whatsoever pagdating sa iyo. Okay? Anyway, nandun pa rin yung maturity ng tao. They don't know how. Okay? I don't know. So, yeah, pwedeng Taurus, Libra like you, Virgo, fire, earth, and yeah, Virgo. Next, Scorpio. Okay, Scorpio. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Scorpio. Thank you. Okay, so what is their true feelings, emotions ngayong week for you, Scorpio? Their true feelings and emotion for you this coming week, Scorpio. Okay. The Five of Wands in reverse. This person wasn't, sabihin natin, they don't want any kind of drama. Okay? Why the Five of Wands in reverse? The World. May chance ng reaching out dito by next week. Pwedeng fire sign, pwedeng fixed sign. Yeah, the King of Swords. They will reach out. Yeah, the Star. May pakikipagayos ako nakukuha dito. They want to fix things. Okay, with you. They want to clear things with you. Being transparent. Okay? Maybe sa emotion. Being vulnerable. Okay? That's with the World. The Empress in reversed. Meron itong mga ipapaliwanag kung bakit nagkaroon ng fallout. Okay? Yeah, the Ten of Cups. Yeah, the Four of Swords in reverse. This is reaching out. Some of you, ito yung taong umalis sa responsibilidad. Iniwanan ka ng responsibilidad. Now they're coming back. Reaching out by next week. Okay, pero yes, be careful. Okay? They're not, like solid, no? Na babalik, like may plano. Parang ganun, wala eh. Hindi ko makita na, I don't know, some of you, babalik lang to para sa sex. May mga ganun. Okay? Anyway, so yeah. Fire, Taurus, Virgo, Libra. Okay? So next, Sagittarius. Okay, Sag. Okay, what is their true feelings, emotions by next week pagdating sa'yo, Sag? Okay, please do like, share, and subscribe while I'm shuffling. Thank you. Okay, Sag, their feelings, emotions by next week towards you. The Eight of Wands in reversed. Oh, this person is bitter. They're bitter. Okay. No actions. I'm feeling I'm getting the energy of revenge. I don't know why. Revenge. The Magician. They're like controlling, no, the emotions, their feelings. Yeah. Oh, yes. Okay. So, Sag, etong taong to, kung ito makikita mo lumalayo, no? Some of you, you're in no contact with this person. If you're not reaching out, okay, kung nakikita ka ng taong tong hindi ka naghahabol sa kanya, they're bitter. Okay? Super. They want you to chase them. Sag, they want you to chase them. They're waiting. Okay? So, you're in their head. I don't know. Hindi ko alam andun yung revenge. Okay, I don't know kung bakit may ganun, kung bakit may paghihiganti itong taong to. Why the Six of Cups in reversed? Some of you, if this is a past person nga, no, hindi pa sila healed. Hindi pa sila nakaka-move on. The Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Meron tong, yeah, this person wants drama. This person wants drama with you. Okay? They're in their emotions, though. Like, sabihin natin, iba sa inyo, pwedeng ini-ignore mo itong taong to. Okay? Ini-ignore mo yung, sabihin natin, yung mga action na ginagawa niya ngayon. Hindi mo binibigyang pansin. They're bitter. Naiinis sila. Okay? Gagawa to ng scene. Yes, gagawa to ng scene by next week. I don't know how. So maybe some of them pwedeng mag-post ng kung ano-anong random BS. Okay, sa kanilang mga kung ano man site nila, platform. Okay? Yeah. And yes, para sa inyo yun. Para sa iyo yun, Sag. Okay? Even though may chance na parang general yung mga ipinopost or yung mga ipopost niya, patama yun sa'yo. That is channeled. Okay? They're bitter. They're angry. They're mad. They want drama with you. Okay? I don't know. They want drama. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng na friend zone mo to. Yes. Or nireject mo before. Okay? So, there's a lot of fire sign here. Maybe, like you. Aries, Leo, Sag. May konting water and earth. Yeah. Nakakaramdam ako, Sag, dito na parang nireject mo siya. So, now they're bitter. Friend zone mo to. So, now they're bitter. Nagpo-post ng kung ano-ano na mga kadramahan, no? Online. Yeah. That's so specific. I don't know kung may makaka-resonate doon, pero yes. Okay, next. Capricorn. Hi, Capricorn. Okay, so let's see. What is their true feelings, emotions sa'yo? Oo, by next week. Okay, syempre, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe while I'm shuffling. Okay, so Capricorn, their true feelings, thoughts, emotions pagdating sa'yo. This week, Capricorn. Okay. Ooh, they want something from you. The Six of Pentacles. They want something from you. What is this? The Moon. What? This person is curious. Okay. Some of them, may chance na pwedeng mapanaginipan ka na nito. Okay? Para kang hinahanap-hanap ng taong to. Para kang kinikrave ng taong to. Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles, they want you. This person likes you. Okay, someone is hiding their true feelings. The Moon, this is being secretive, na talagang ginugusto ka niya. This person, sabihin nating new person. Okay? Some of you may chance lang na may nangyaring pause or ending. Okay? May chance kasi na pwedeng wala pa kayong naging connection ng taong to. Tapos biglang nawala. I don't know why. Okay? You're in their head, yeah. The Queen of Cups. This person loves you. May emosyon. Okay? May emosyon na. Yeah. They're hiding their true feelings. What is this Six of Pentacles? Okay, pwedeng earth sign like you, Pisces, Cancer. What's this Six of Pentacles? What is the Six of Pentacles? The Tower in reverse. Someone is avoiding or feeling avoidant or acting avoidant. Meron ditong nag-withdraw, like nag-step back. Okay, now they're like finding, looking for you, searching for you. Yeah. They want to talk. They want to connect. Yeah, see? The Ace of Swords in reverse. Ngayon, hinahanap-hanap ka nitong taong to. Hinahanap-hanap ka niya. Okay? Ano bang meron sa kanya? Let's see. To be specific. Para maging specific. Okay, sino to? Sino tong taong to? Anong meron sa kanya? Okay, what's with this Queen of Cups? They're hiding their true feelings. What's with this? The King of Wands in reverse. Pwedeng Sag. Fire sign. Yeah, this person likes you. Some of you may chance ng may age gap. Okay? The King of Wands in reverse. They're acting like they don't want you. Okay? They're acting like they don't want you. Yeah. Pero deep down, they are craving. Okay? Pagdating sa'yo. There's no connection pa sa inyong dalawa. Hindi rin kayo nag-uusap nito. I don't know kung sino to. Okay? This person wants your attention. They want something from you. Yeah. Pero parang pinapakita niya wala siyang pakialam. Okay? See? They're waiting. Expecting something from you. Ay, nakaka-confuse. Scorpio, Sag, Pisces, Earth signs. Okay. Next, Aqua. Aquarius. Okay. So what is their true intention? True emotion. Maybe their true intention. Okay. True emotions, feelings for you, Aqua, this coming week. Okay, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay. Aqua. True feelings niya. The Hanged Man. Thinking of you, waiting for you, but not doing any kind of action towards you. They're just waiting. What's with this Hanged Man? Pwedeng Pisces. The Four of Wands in reversed. Yeah. Ang dami namang paghihintay dito. Okay, some of you, if there's a breakup na nangyari or separation, or hindi kayo magka-connect, they're thinking of plans. Okay? Kung paano siya makakapagpapansin sa'yo, makakuha ng pansin from you. Okay? Some of you malayo kayo sa isa't isa. May age gap actually. Okay? Itong taong to, marami siyang gustong gawin pagdating sa inyong dalawa. Sa connection or sa sitwasyon. Pero, they're delaying it. Procrastinating. See? The Page of Swords. Thinking. They're looking for you or maybe stalking you. Okay? You have someone na talagang iniisip ka. Yeah, pero they're worried. May worry. Ako nakukuha from this person. That is why hindi sila gumagawa ng kung ano man. Worried. Some of you, okay, kung may nangyari ng relationship sa inyo, itong taong to nagtitingin kung meron ka na bang someone else, someone new. Nagwo-worry to kung baka mamaya you're in a new connection na. Okay? So ngayon, nag-iisip ito ng plano kung paano siya magre-reach out or paano siya makakakuha ng attention from you. Okay? They're too afraid to communicate. They want communication, pero they're too afraid. So maybe hindi sila handa kung anong magiging result or outcome, if ever. Okay? Yeah, the Judgment in reversed. Some of them, pwedeng yung gusto nilang mangyari is yung hindi na cycle, hindi na yung bago, hindi na yung dati. Parang ganyan, parang bago naman. Parang ganun eh. Para may mangyaring iba. Parang ganun. Anyway. Okay, next. Pisces. Okay. So, Pisces, placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Pisces. Okay. So, what is their true emotions, feelings for you this coming week, Pisces? This coming week. Okay. The Page of Pentacles in reversed. The Ten of Wands. If there's no connection or communication, they're dropping this. Okay? They are dropping this. Kung ano man meron sa inyo. Okay? Some of them, they're unsure. Pagdating sa pakikipagbalikan, they're unsure. Why are they dropping this? Why the Ten of Wands in reversed? Ten of Wands in reverse. What's this? The Queen of Cups. Okay, maybe pwedeng ikaw itong nakikita nilang okay na without them. Okay, may chance na ganun. So, yeah, they will, sabi nating choose to hold back na lang. Okay? To be silent. Okay? And yung emosyon na meron, kikim-kimi na lang. Okay? So, parang, okay, this is hopeless. Oo. This is just a waste of time na. Yun ang tingin nila, Pisces. Okay? Feeling kasi nila, nagiging okay ka na without them. So now, they're dropping the situation. Okay? Page of Pentacles. What's this? Yeah. The Two of Swords. Pagdating sa communication, nandun na yung, nakasarado na. Okay? Like, someone is avoiding. Okay? Some of you, yeah, you're healing. They see that. Okay? Yeah. And feeling nila, no choice. Okay? Kundi, i-drop na lang to. So, may panghihinayang. Okay? Takot rin to eh. Nagdadalawang isip tong taong to, sa totoo lang, na mag-reach out. Okay? Lalo na, gusto nga niya na may sabihin. Pero, ngayong tingin niya na okay ka na, parang okay, ahayaan ko lang yung sarili ko na hindi na lang sabihin or i-express kung ano bang meron. Parang ganun. Okay? So, this is a decision na hindi na lang para gawin. Kumunik. Okay? Yeah, so they will drop this kahit ayaw nila. Oh, this is sad. I don't know kung sad to para sa inyo. Kasi you're being okay na. You're getting okay. Okay and okay and okay. Okay, so there. Anyway. So, yeah. Yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.